Namaskar, I am Akhil Srivastava and I welcome you all in the weekly weather discussion of India Meteorological Department. In this discussion, we will see how was the weather during past 1 week and what we expect in terms of weather during coming next 2 weeks. If we see the weather systems which impacted India in the past 1 week, that is from 27th of October to 2nd of November, then we see that majorly there were few cyclone circulation which formed over southern parts of the country. There was cyclone circulation in the southwest Bay of Bengal, which formed around 27th of October and persisted till 29th of October. There was another cyclone circulation in the southeast Bay of Bengal, which formed on 29th of October. These systems merged in over southwest Bay of Bengal, close to your Sri Lanka coast on 30th of October. This cyclone circulation persisted over the same region from 30th October to 2nd of November. There's also a trough which extended from the cyclone circulation to Lakshadweep across Tamil Nadu and Kerala. There's another on 1st of November. There's another trough from the cyclone circulation to North India Karnataka on 2nd of November. Apart from that, in the northern part of the country, there was a western disturbance seen on 31st of October around 70-degree east latitude for longitude, and which was seen on 2nd of November around 75-degree east longitude to the north of 26-degree north latitude. If we see about this particular season, this is the northeast monsoon season, and under the influence of setting up of northeasterly winds in the lower tropospheric levels for Bay of Bengal and South Peninsular India, northeast monsoon rains commenced over coastal Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and Karaikal, and adjoining areas of south coastal Andhra Pradesh on 29th of October. Northeast monsoon further covered the remaining parts of the Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and Karaikal, Kerala, and Mahe, and South India, Karnataka, and Rayalaseema on 30th of October. If we talk about the rainfall activity during past 1 week, ending on 2nd of November, then in the left-hand side, the map is showing us the 7-day cumulative rainfall, which is recorded over different stations of the IMD. And on the right-hand side, it's showing the subdivision rainfall map, which is showing us the difference with the normal rainfall, which is expected in this particular week, and what we actually observed over these meteorological subdivisions. If we talk about country as a whole, the rainfall during this week was minus 70%. That means most of the subdivisions received uh, less than normal amount of rainfall activity. The yellow color, which is shown for different subdivisions, it is showing minus 60% to minus 99% deficient rainfall activity. Red color is showing minus 59% to minus 20% deficiency, and green color is showing minus 19% to 19%, which comes in the normal rainfall category. If we talk about different regions of the country, then you can see for East and Northeast India, departure was minus 78% against the actual of 2 millimeter, where normally we receive 9.4 millimeter rainfall activity. Northwest India it was minus 80%, Central India minus 99%, and South India minus 59%. Country as a whole, we received 3 millimeter of rainfall against 9.9 millimeter of rainfall. That is departure of minus 70%. So overall, if you will see more, all subdivisions except Arunachal Pradesh was in the deficient category during the past 1 week. If we talk about significant rainfall activity, then 29th of October, you can see the lot of rainfall activity is concentrated in the southern parts of the country, which is related to northeast monsoon conditions, and few isolated rainfall activities seen over North India and Northeast India, which are related to your western disturbance movement as well. On 29th of October, isolated heavy rainfall activity was seen over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and Karaikal. On 31st October, isolated heavy rainfall activity was seen over Kerala and Mahe. 1st November, there was isolated very heavy rainfall activity over Tamil Nadu and heavy rainfall activity over Kerala, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Yanam, as well as Rayalaseema. On 2nd of November, isolated very heavy rainfall activity occurred over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and Karaikal, and heavy rainfall over coastal Andhra Pradesh, Yanam, Rayalaseema, as well as South India, Karnataka. If we talk about the season as a whole, that is from 1st of October to 2nd of November, then still for the entire country, the rainfall which is seen as a whole is plus 44%. That means the rainfall received over the entire country is 44% more than the normal rainfall during this period. Similarly, in this map, you can see the rainfall activity for the season for different subdivisions. Then two subdivisions which are shown in yellow color, they are showing you large deficient rainfall activity. That is more departure or deficiency is more than minus 60% up to minus 99%. Red color, you will again see the large, this is deficient. It's in 3 locations. That is your Kerala, we have coastal Karnataka, so Lakshadweep. It is showing minus 20% to minus 59% rainfall activity. All other regions have normal to excess and large excess rainfall activity. Green color is showing the normal rainfall subdivisions. Light blue are showing us the excess, and the dark blue are showing the large excess rainfall subdivisions. If you see country as a whole, we have plus 44% rainfall activity, and the major departure is seen over northwest India, where it is plus 194%. followed by Central India plus 60%, then East and North India plus 32%, and South West India with plus 10%. So overall, out of 36 meteorological subdivisions, 11 subdivisions received large excess, 10 subdivisions received excess, 10 received normal, 3 subdivisions received deficient rainfall, and 2 subdivisions received large deficient rainfall during this period, that is from 1st October to 2nd of November. If we talk about today's situation, there was cyclonic circulation, which is seen over southern parts of Tamil Nadu neighborhood, and a trough was running from the cyclonic circulation to Lakshadweep area in lower and middle atmospheric level. There was another cyclonic circulation, which is seen over southwest Bay of Bengal and neighborhood in lower atmospheric level. We are also seeing there northeasterly winds are prevailing along and off Tamil Nadu coast. In the North Indian Sea, there is a western disturbance as a trough, which is seen in westerly winds excess at mid-tropospheric levels, roughly along 84° east longitude to north of 25° north latitude. If we talk about the weather forecast during next 5 days, then you can see in this left-hand side table, it is showing us the weather forecast for different meteorological subdivisions during next 5 days from 3rd of November to 7th of November. Most of the rainfall activity is seen to be concentrated in the southern part of the country, and which is largely related to the easterly wind, northeasterly monsoon, and the winds flowing. Apart from that, on the northern part of the country, some rainfall activity is seen, is projected, which is largely related to the western disturbance and its movement. The different kind of categories are displayed over here. Isolated means 25% stations are expected to receive the rainfall. Scattered is up to 50% stations. Fairly widespread is 51% to 75%, and widespread is more than 75% stations are expected to receive the rainfall. On the right hand side, we can see the multi-hazard map, which has been with a warning map, which has been issued by Indian Meteorological Department. If you can see on the southern part of the country, that the orange color is showing over Tamil Nadu and Kerala for the 3rd and 4th, where we are expecting, and we have issued a warning of very heavy rainfall, isolated very heavy rainfall over these regions. Apart from that, on 5th, 6th, 7th, we are expecting isolated very heavy rainfall over the same region. On 5th and 6th, we are expecting thunderstorm activity over Jammu and Kashmir associated with the western disturbance. Also, we are expecting some isolated heavy rainfall and snowfall activity over Kashmir region on 6th November 2022. Apart from that, we have also issued thunderstorm lightning warning for coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema, South Indian Karnataka, coastal Karnataka for 3rd and 4th, for coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema on 5th, and over Kerala for 6th and 7th of November. If we talk about rainfall forecast during the next week, that means the first week, starting from 3rd of November to 9th of November, then we can find out that from this map, maps are generated from the extended range forecast model of Indian Meteorological Department. Left hand side image showing us the rainfall activity expected during 4th November, 10th of November. Right hand side is showing anomaly, that means difference of the forecasted rainfall from the normal rainfall during this week. So you can see this warm colors, they are showing us the deficient rainfall, and these bluish shade, they are showing us the positive anomaly, that means more than normal rainfall activity. A fresh western disturbance is very likely to influence the western Himalayan region from 4th night and adjoining plains from 5th November 2022. It is very likely to cause scattered, fairly widespread light moderate rainfall over Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit-Baltistan, and Muzaffarabad, Himachal Pradesh during 5th to 7th of November. Isolated light moderate rainfall snowfall over Uttarakhand on 6th and 7th, and isolated light rainfall over Punjab during 5th to 7th of November. Warning is also being issued for isolated heavy rainfall snowfall likely over Kashmir Valley on 6th of November 2022. As we already discussed, there was cyclone circulation over South Tamil Nadu and neighborhood, and a trough which from this cyclone circulation to Lakshadweep in lower and middle of the level, and there was another cyclone circulation over southwest Bay of Bengal. Under the influence of these systems, we are expecting fairly widespread to widespread light moderate rainfall with isolated heavy falls and thunderstorm lightning very likely to continue over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal, Kerala, and Mahe during most days of the first week. Isolated very heavy rainfall is also likely over South Tamil Nadu and South Kerala on 3rd and 4th November 2022. Apart from this, we are not expecting any significant activity over any parts of the country except Andaman Nicobar Islands, where we are expecting light to moderate rainfall thunderstorm during the second half of the first week. Also, we are expecting a low pressure areas likely to form over southwest Bay of Bengal of Sri Lanka coast towards the end of the first week or towards the beginning of the second week. It is very likely to move west northwestward towards Tamil Nadu coast with slight intensification during first half of the second week. If we talk about second week, that is from 10th of November to 15th of November, again the images are taken from ERF, that is extended range forecast system. Left hand one showing the rainfall, right one showing the anomaly from the anomaly of the forecasted values from the normal rainfall. So due to active easterly wave and probable low pressure system, as we discussed in the week 1 forecast, We're expecting light to moderate, scattered to fairly widespread rainfall activity over most parts of southern India. And we're also expecting light, isolated, heavy to very heavy rainfall, very likely over Tamil Nadu and Kerala during many days of the second week. If you talk about North India, then we are not expecting any active western disturbance to affect Northwest India during the second week. Overall, if you talk about the rainfall activity, then it is likely to be normal to above normal over southwestern India, near normal over east and northeast India, and it is likely to be below normal over northwest and central India during the week. Now, if you talk about the minimum temperatures, as winters are approaching, so we are keeping an eye on the minimum temperatures. If you talk about minimum temperatures, then we are expecting that there will not be significant change in minimum temperatures, likely over northwest, central, and east India during this week. However, these temperatures are likely to be above normal by 1 to 3 degrees centigrade over most parts of northwest, central, and adjoining East India, and they are likely to be below normal by 1 to 2 degrees centigrade over southwestern India. These maps, as you can see, are also taken from the ERF model. The above panel is showing the minimum temperature as forecasted from the model, and the below panel is showing the anomaly. That means the forecasted temperature difference from the normal temperature, which is generally expected. So the warm colors are showing the positive anomaly. That means minimum temperatures are likely to be above normal, and the blue shade are showing the temperatures likely to be below normal. So in the first week, we are expecting these regions, which are generally northwest, central, and northwest, central, and even East India, we are expecting minimum temperature to be above normal by 1 to 3 degrees centigrade, and in southwestern India, they are likely to be 1 to 2 degrees centigrade below normal. If we talk about second week, then we are expecting that due to likely dry northwesterly winds coming from the Himalayas to northwest and central India at lower atmospheric levels, minimum temperatures are likely to fall by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade during the second week. So overall, the temperature, that is minimum temperatures, they are likely to be below normal by 1 to 2 degrees centigrade over most parts of the country as displayed over here. If we talk about the cyclogenesis, that means the probability of formation of tropical cyclone or depression in the North Indian Ocean, then you can see with the help of these images, we are expecting a low probability of formation of cyclogenesis in the week 1 and week 2. A low pressure area is likely to form over southwest Bay of Bengal or Sri Lanka coast towards the end of week 1 or beginning of week 2. This system is likely to move west-northwestward towards Tamil Nadu coast, and it's likely that there are slight intensification expected, and it may become a depression during the first half of the week 2. This is the weather information for this week and the forecast for the next 2 weeks. I hope this information is very much useful for you all. For any updated information, please visit IMD website mausam.im.gov.in, or you can use the different apps which are provided by Indian Meteorology Department. It is Mausam app, Damni app, Meghdoot app. We will meet again next week with the similar kind of information. Till then, have a good time. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind.